This is Bye Bye Money, and today is January 30th, 2021, and I did it again. I broke the mini. I broke it again, but this week more like chipped it, chipped the mini. um, but to be honest, any week that is profitable running a 100% automated strategy, I consider breaking the e-mini. Not because I'm gaining tons of money, but because I didn't have to do anything. It just runs automatically and it is profitable still. I could easily make this automated strategy show incredible numbers at any given week. But this week, the profit's only around $767.50. I could have made it $2,000, $3,000. I could have done that by tweaking this strategy to fit the circumstance, this week's circumstance, and for this week only, it would maybe give you $3, $4, $5,000. But that defeats the whole purpose of an automated strategy. It's a measly 767, which might be a lot to some, but to be honest, we are simply trying to run a strategy that is profitable. So some weeks it's not going to give you the most money, some weeks it will give you more money. But the idea is that the strategy takes the best setups possible for the strategy that it's running or implementing, and yeah, so it's not a banger. It's not thousands of dollars, but hey, it's profitable. And for a week like this, seeing the volatility, I wouldn't be surprised, unfortunately, if the automated strategy actually traded better than most people. And not trying to knock on other traders, but really it's just how volatile this week was. And yeah, and how the automated strategy trades without emotions. It just trades the best setup. And the best part is it waits patiently. Something that's very hard for a lot of human traders. It just waits and waits you know, without thinking about it, and only enters the best setups possible. If you didn't watch last week's Breaking the E-mini, pretty much go exactly over how the strategy is programmed and the particular setup it looks for, and it also explaining why it's such a probable setup, and also why we decided to automate it. And one question, a lot of comments on these videos, and yeah, a lot of people are skeptical, which I don't blame you. I would be skeptical too. In fact, hey, continue to be skeptical. Continue to question results such as these. I am also discovering with you guys how profitable the strategy is, and also the entire two-legged pullback community is also discovering alongside you how profitable this strategy can actually be. We are back testing it with months and months of data. And people say, oh, I only show the best weeks, the winning weeks. Well, I'm confused when I hear things like that because I've been showing the results for the last 6 weeks straight. So, and I'm basically showing all the weeks from this current contract, which is the 321 contract on the futures. So I'm a bit confused when people say that, but essentially we are working on this, and yeah, and it's not much, but it's still green this week. So um, yeah, I hope gonna play the reel for you guys so you can see every single trade the automated strategy executes, and yeah, hope you enjoy. And as always, happy trading and God bless. Oh yeah, and if you like this kind of content, helps us a lot if you like and subscribe. Thanks.